Let's talk about something controversial today. This is Javiii from JT Empire, and this is a topic that I find I take it very, very seriously. You know, I understand a lot of things happening in the industry, and I just think it is important to share my views. One of the main concerns I've noticed that people are having is that they're mentioning that a lot of people out there selling courses, they're sharing a lot of things online, and it's overwhelming. It's bombarding the internet with courses and information, Forex, investment, all that. Now, a lot of people, they are concerned in the sense that they want to know. It's hard to find who is real from who is actually just fake. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you a few tips. Let's keep it at 3 on how you can actually spot the right opportunity or the right community to actually join. The first thing I'm going to tell you is don't chase the money. It is very, very important, guys. You don't focus on the money of trading. No, I know it is the only reason that you're actually trading for most persons. You trade because you want to make money, and I get that, but don't focus on the money. By focusing on the money, you will then be leading into certain communities that are only showing results. Now, you might say there's nothing wrong with showing results, but yes, there's something wrong with that from a psychological standpoint. By you just focusing on a person showing that they make tens of thousands of dollars buying houses, buying cars, that will give you a false narrative. You don't want to look at trading as this thing that will make you billions of dollars. That's not what it is. It's supposed to be a driver. It's supposed to be something like a boost to help you gain capital so you can put it into something else. Now, a lot of people share these things, and I won't comment on if the results that they're sharing is real or fake. I won't comment on that. I'm looking at the psychology behind everything. You chasing after people sharing results won't help you any at all. What is truly important is the knowledge, and I'm not talking about basic knowledge. I'm talking about real hardcore knowledge about foreign exchange trading and how to manage yourself in the industry. That is what is important. 2, be skeptic. And I know this is weird, but most of you guys are skeptic in the wrong areas. You look on persons that are here to give you information as people that do not know anything, right? And you're skeptical of these people, but you chase after persons showing you results. I mean, it's following up after the first point, but you need to be skeptic in the right areas. Sometimes we are looking at trading, the information is boring. We want to see fun, we want to see money being made. That is not what Forex is. That's a false perception of foreign exchange trading. It's not about fun and games. It's something that is serious, and you need to get the skill. You need to look at it as a serious business, not as how it is portrayed on the internet. A lot of people are lured that way into the wrong community. Now, you need to be skeptic in the right areas. Certain questions, I hear people asking certain questions, I'm like, this is the wrong thing. This is not what you should be asking. You should be looking in another direction. Focus on the value of the information. That is what is truly important. Trading is more than just support and resistance trend line. It's more than just marking up a chart. It's about managing you as a person. So find the right community with the right mentor that can actually guide you through that. That is what is important. The last tip, trust your gut. Trust you. Don't trust your heart nor your mind. Trust that little feeling that you have that you cannot explain. Why? Because it is important. People will tell you anything. People can show you anything on the internet and force you to believe because it's right there in your face. And you know what? Seeing is believing. So don't trust what people are showing you by the questions that you ask, by the things that you are seeing, by the things that you feel. Put everything together and sum it up. Try and find the right community by looking at the mentor beyond the results that they are showing, because they can probably get that, whether real or fake. As I said, I'm not commenting on that, but they can get that. But how will they help you to get that? Because you can look at it this way: some people can drive, but not everybody can drive and teach another person how to drive. Some may have the knowledge but can't share it that way, or show you how to get it that way. So you need to focus on the value of the information. With that said, this is Javiii. Peace.